Hey guys, welcome back to the app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're new to Pokemon TCG Pocket or just looking to improve your skills, there's a few things that you need to know to get you started or improving improving your skills. So in Pokemon TCG Pocket, opening packs is key to building your collection. So packs are on a 12-hour timer. So you can open new packs every 12 hours for free. So you can speed this up by using pack hourglasses, which in this case reduces the timer by an hour per hourglass. As you progress, you'll gather more of these hourglasses. So each pack contains like 5 cards, so it has its own unique selection of cards depending on the pack. Now, also, for example, you could for own unique cards. Like for example, you could get a Charizard or Mewtwo on different packs available. So in this case, you could pay attention for the special rare cards within each pack, such as the picture cards, which in this case feature our unique art and comes with special type of cutscenes that you could actually view. Now, if you're lucky, you might even get open a God pack, which is a super rare pack here, where all cards are in higher rarity, including full arts and alternate arts, which these are extremely rare, about 1 in 2,000 chances. So it's always worth opening those packs to see if you get lucky. Now, also using pack points for specific cards here. So each time you open a pack, you earn pack points. So you earn, like for example, like 5 points per pack here. So you can use these points to basically buy specific cards you need, and also you either complete your set or strengthen your deck. Keep in mind that rare cards cost more points. For example, a common card may only cost like 35 points, but a hyper rare gold crown can cost around like 2,500 points. Now, what about deck building and rental decks here? So if you're just starting out, it can be overwhelming. So to build your own deck, but don't worry, rental decks are a great way for you to practice. So these decks are available through the missions menu. So you can unlock them by meeting certain requirements, like having specific cards, or sets. So once unlocked, you can use them up to 10 times. So familiarize yourself with different strategies. Now, additionally, Dex missions encourage you to collect certain cards for rewards like emblem tickets, which can be used to buy cool profile emblems. So, the more cards you register to your deck, the more rewards you can actually unlock. Now, in this case, what about building a strong deck for battle? So, to battle in Pokemon TCG, you need to build a deck of 20 cards. So, the goal is to knock out 3 of your opponent's Pokemon. So, in this case, the regular Pokemon knockouts give you 1 point, and the EX Pokemon gives you like 2 points each turn. So, you'll draw an extra card and you receive energy except on turn 1. It's crucial to manage your energy wisely here. So if you want to attach it to your Pokemon that can attack, and be careful about when you treat a Pokemon for a more powerful one. Trainer cards and support cards are essential for improving the deck and enhancing your chances of winning. Now, in this case, let's go and discuss premium passes. So, in this case, you can actually access your premium passes here. So let's go back into our previous menu here. So in this case, if you click on the regular at the top section here, you have your passes. So if you want to unlock extra rewards features, consider getting the premium pass here. It provides access to a second stamina gauge, meaning you can open an extra pack daily. Premium missions and exclusive items like special Pikachu promo cards and unique accessories. So the key to success in Pokemon TCG Pocket is experimenting with different decks, understanding how to manage your energy and cards, and learning how each battle. But don't be afraid to try different strategies and improve as you go. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.